Hi there! Today I'll be showing you how to export your project as a PDF from Photos. My Legacy Photos project is open. I'm going to bring my cursor over to the Photos work page and click the Export button. An option menu will drop down. Select the Export Production PDF button. You will then title your project and hit Save. After the file is saved, I would suggest double-checking the PDF file to make sure that everything is in the proper order before uploading it to Presto Photo. If you find an error or want to make further edits, you can convert the project in our Presto Photo app, then export again as you did before. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, chat with our live support or send an email over to support@prestophoto.com on our website, prestophoto.com. Have a great day!